The Titan submarine from OceanGate started its journey from St. John Port, Canada. The dive location was about 700 km away in the Atlantic Ocean, where the Titanic debris is located. The journey began on Saturday, June 17, 2023. The team planned to dive on Sunday. Once again, welcome to my channel Facts Finder. There were total 5 people for this journey. One of them was the founder of Action Aviation, Hamish Harding. He was the person who traveled with Jeff Bezos in space. The second one was Stockton Rush, who was the CEO of OceanGate, a famous submarine company in America. The third, Paul Henry, a 77-year-old man. He has visited the Titanic before, making him familiar with the journey. The last 2 persons are Prince Dawood and his son Suleiman Dawood. These 5 individuals planned this journey to witness the remains of the world's most renowned ship, the Titanic, which tragically sank in the Atlantic Ocean in 1912. When Titanic drowned, efforts were made to find it for years, but because of the harsh weather of the Atlantic Ocean, it was not an easy. Finally, in 1985, they find the debris of Titanic. Now it was time to find the answers to the questions that Titanic had left when it drowned. Dozens of experts were arranged from different countries. In 1995, Canadian film producer James Cameron made dozens of visits to Titanic, and then in 1997, the Titanic movie was released. It was a hit move, because of which it became the wish of everyone to visit Titanic in real. Now Titanic was not only limited to the field of research, but also become a tourist place. It is said that going in the depths of the ocean is more difficult than going to space. The reason for this is the pressure of water in the depths. Titanic shipwrecks are about 4 kilometers deep in the ocean. If we want to take the imagination of this depth, it is equal to 5 Burj Khalifas. The pressure of water at this depth is 5,800 psi. On Sunday, 18th June 2023, they start their journey at 12:15 in the daytime. Normally, it takes 2 hours to reach the Titanic from the surface, but after 1 hour 45 minutes, the mothership lost connection with the Titan. If it takes 2 hours to reach Titanic, then losing connection at 1 hour 45 minutes means the submarine must be very close to Titanic. Losing wireless signal in deep places is common, so the signal loss wasn't a big concern. This total journey was for 7 hours, so from 12 o'clock of the day, they needed to be back at 7 o'clock in the evening. By 7 p.m., there was still no contact with the Titan, and the crew on the mothership in the Atlantic Ocean became very worried. They start searching and also contact U.S. Coast Guards at 9:40 p.m. for help. Next day, U.S. and Canadian ships and helicopters make a search operation. They did not only search on the surface, but also the depths of the ocean using sonar scanning. The search continued for the next 2 days, but no result. On Wednesday morning, June 21st, at 6 o'clock a.m., the search team heard voices coming from the depths. This brought a ray of hope to the situation. The searchers followed the sounds, but there was still no sign of Titan. Now it seemed like Titan might be lost forever. Titan only contained the oxygen for 4 days or 96 hours. Till now, 3 days have already passed. But the search team of the US, France, and Canada did not lose hope. On Thursday, 22nd June, searchers were sent to the Titanic. What they saw there was surprising and heartbreaking. They saw a piece of the Titan's body that was only 1,600 feet away from the Titanic. Titan that went to see Titanic was now in the headlines of the world. There were news that the submarine may not bear the underwater pressure, and it might burst. There were too many questions on the safety of OceanGate. The CEO of OceanGate once said in 2021 that he knows he has broken some rules while designing the Titan. Instead of steel, he made Titan with aviation-grade carbon fiber, But he wants to bring something new. That's why he uses carbon fiber instead of steel. Before launch, Titan was tested under the pressure of 5,000 psi, which was a successful try. But experts say that submarine may face waves that can impact them, or, in the dark, they might hit heavy rocks or marine life. One other reason of bursting Titan might be that cracks which were felt by a businessman on its first journey to the Titanic on the same submarine. But that time they did not give importance because he was very confident about the work of Titan's CEO who designed it by himself. After the incident, he told CNN that it might have been a warning that Titan's body couldn't handle the water pressure. If that's true, Titan's body could already have cracks. Experts say it might take just 0.3 seconds for Titan to burst under that pressure. Hope you will like this video of Facts Finder. Thank you for your likes and